Alright guys, in this video we're going to do a fix it yourself. If you have a nail in your tire, slow leak, but you got to make sure if the nail is in between any one of these treads, you're okay, right, to repair it. You can see here, where is it at? There it is. See right there, that's where my hole is, alright? The nail already came out. If it's on the sidewall, if it's anywhere on the sidewall, usually you got to get the whole tire replaced. It's inside. But here, that's repairable. So, got this little tire repair kit just bought from the gas station. This one here, pretty much just to get the hole right, which I'm sure this one's already right. But let's see. That thing stuck in that hole. And work it back and forth. Pretty much cutting it up. Going to grab some of that rubber cement. And also, this here, these are the little plugs. They're sticky. So, what you want to do, get one of them off first. I'm going to feed it through here, almost like a needle and thread. Alright. Feed that thing through there. Sometimes they slide in easy, sometimes they don't. This is a cheaper kit, so maybe a lot harder. Let's see if I can flatten it out some. And do is put that through there. I want it to be about halfway. Alright? Because when you stab it in there, it's going to go in this way. Pull it out. So, let's get this cement here. Right on there. Not be a lot, but probably 2 minutes. So, stab that thing in there like that. Gotta give it a little push. Alright. Slip thing in there. You don't want to push it all the way in because then it's going to be in there and then pull out. Pull out. And that's it. This tire is plugged. Now, you got to cut the access off. So, of course, you can force in as much as you can. Then cut the access off. But, yeah, that's that. Scissors. Yeah. That's me. Alright guys, that's how you plug your tire. Like I said, just cut the excess off with some scissors or a knife or something. Put some air in it. Also, if the tire is flat and still on the rim, you're good to go. If it's off the rim, then you gotta go get it repaired at a tire shop. This method won't work as far as plugging it. But I was kind of lucky. I felt it and I actually heard it. See my tire starting to rise. tires are max. The max PSI, pounds per square inch, is only 44. So I usually get it up to like 34, 36. You're good to go from there. Because, you know, heat expands, so as you're driving, tires, you know, get hot. That weight's gonna be, you know, it's not gonna be reading 36 anymore. Actually, these tires are actually rated for 51. There's some Pirelli tires, so I'm actually gonna put them at 42, 44. That's about it right there. Yeah, no leaks, no here, no nothing. Hope this helps.